Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So this is my Valentine's Day look 2 video. Sit back, relax and enjoy. I'm gonna go straight into my eyes rather than doing my foundation because you've seen this bit several times. So I will see you in a minute. Back for the eyes, we are going to start with NYX Professional Ultimate Shadow Palette. I'm just gonna dive right into the darkest color. And of course take that into your inner corner right there. So next up, I'm just going to go into this cute burnt orange colour and go over. You can see it's just like a tad bit of warmth right there. So I don't want too much. And then now I'm going to get a gold from any palette that you have. 16th Street, and this is from the Urban Decay Bleached palette. I've had this palette for quite some time now. So just using my finger, I'm just going to glide. Ooh, pat that right in the middle. Want to take it right up just so it's not stuck on your eyelids. You want to take it up to just above your crease. So if you feel like you've gone over the dark shade, that's fine. We're going to fix that. Same thing on the other side. I'm going to use that fat brush I used earlier just to blend everything together, making sure it's a smooth and seamless blend. So same thing, dark color, and I'm going to take that right underneath here. Going back into that shimmering color, right in the middle. I really just want a touch of shimmer under the eye. Okay, so I'm gonna clean all of this up, put my lashes on. We're right back. Okie dokie, so I'm back. So next on the list is gonna be my contouring slash bronzing and applying some blusher. With this, I'm not gonna do too much contouring. Rather, I'm just gonna go in with my bronzer. The one I use is the Bobbi Brown Sheer Finish Pressed Powder, and it's in the shade number 9. Just for the purpose of this video, I'll apply some onto my face. So I literally just use a nice fluffy brush and just put that all over the areas that will possibly crease or will possibly get sweaty. I'm gonna go into my Fenty Beauty Miimii. So this is my bronzer, and I'm just gonna go right here with it. So I'm just gonna work it there, and you already see it's changing the look. It's transforming into something magical. This is what I love to see. Ooh, just hit my elbow against my drawer. That's okay. So I'm just gonna work it right where my, what would you call this area? This is not your temple. Your temple's here, but you know what I mean. This area of my forehead. To really shrink my forehead a little bit. And I do like that sun-kissed glow it gives you when you apply bronzer right over here. Now we're gonna do my blusher. So I'm gonna use the blusher Raisin by MAC. This is the Raisin, and I'm gonna use that shade. The finishing touches, just my lips and highlighter. I'm gonna use Cognac Candy Diamond Bomb highlighter. You have seen it's like a repeat. I always use this product. I always use this highlighter. Using a smaller brush, I'm going to take that into my inner eye corner right there. So now it's time for the lips. We're going to use the Dose of Colors Chocolate Wasted Matte Lipstick as a liner. And once we're done with that, I'm going to put this Knock on Wood matte lipstick, and I'm going to just put that right in the middle. And then using my brush, this is the Jaclyn Hill JH53 brush, I'm just going to really pat that on my lips to blend it out. Once I'm done with that, I'm going to use my NYX Intense Butter Gloss. This is in Peanut Brittle, so this has been discontinued, unfortunately. Using that same brush to blend. So this is the clear gloss from LA Girl. And just literally squeeze that on. So I prefer getting a tube clear gloss just because I have more creative control on the gloss. Again, you know the drill, put some life back on my face. I'm going to use the Fenty Beauty facial mist, makeup mist. Thank you for watching my video. I hope you like this look, and I hope you guys can recreate it with what you have at home. Remember, you don't have to have the exact same products that I use. You can use what you have at home and replicate this and make it your own. Don't forget to like, subscribe and comment. Yeah, keep sharing my content if you like it. If you want to see more stuff like this, or you want something else, let me know in the comments below, and I'll see you guys later. Take care.